No one appears able to prevent their bankruptcy, but for Shiba Inu, this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance, so much so that it caught Robinhood's eye. They are talking about a major development that could happen to us soon. Because of this, I am extremely bullish, however, I don't understand. Plus, what gives us reason to feel glad? Allow me to clarify. Important notice, our whales were involved in a really unusual event that occurred earlier today. The whale net flows in Shiba Inu have recently dropped by a startling 30,000. This dramatic decline in significant holders' net flow, according to Interblock statistics, may indicate that major Shiba Inu operators are scaling back their operations. When net flows rise, it usually means that whales are buying in as accumulation is taking place. But this kind of drop? Such large investors may be beginning to sell or reduce their holdings then. And yet, how on earth is this even feasible? What causes it to occur? Here, market mood is quite important. Locking in gains before the next fall can be a good strategy for major holders when the general crypto market faces uncertainty or prices hit peaks. Profit taking is an inherent aspect of the cyclical process as well. It's the way the game is played, truly. In order to wait for a better chance, the whales may be diversifying their holdings or just withdrawing their money. This, however, does not spell disaster for Shiba Inu. If we can learn anything from the past, it's that these types of pullbacks can occasionally make room for smaller investors to enter or even for whales to re-enter at a cheaper price. Shiba Inu could potentially have a comeback despite the recent market volatility if new demand materializes, particularly if more traders want to purchase during the price drop. Furthermore, I will shortly elaborate on why this enormous exodus of whales is actually beneficial. There's more good news about Shiba Inu, and that's only the beginning. It would appear that the conventional U.S. economy is in decline. Some people are very upset about a recent tweet. U.S. bankruptcy is imminent. Interest payments have increased to an unprecedented $3 billion per day. When the U.S. economy is under such severe financial stress, it might cause a domino effect in markets around the world. Surprisingly, Shiba Inu and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole might benefit from this type of anarchy. When confidence in established monetary systems wanes, many look for new ways to keep their money safe. Coincident with periods of economic turmoil, cryptocurrencies often show their true colors. This is nothing new. As faith in government-backed assets and fiat currency declines, an increasing number of investors are seeking refuge in cryptocurrency. Concerns about mounting debt, inflation, and possible instability are highlighted by the fact that the United States pays billions in interest every day. Therefore, investors may shift their focus from safer, more conventional assets like bonds or stocks to riskier, potentially lucrative alternatives like cryptocurrencies. As investors seek to diversify their holdings away from deteriorating financial systems, Shiba Inu may gain in popularity. Retail investors looking to get in on the action without putting too much money on the line will find Shiba Inu appealing due to its accessibility and relatively low cost. While reports of a collapsing US economy may be devastating for more conventional markets, they may actually be the perfect storm for Shiba Inu's growth as investors flee to decentralized digital assets. The widespread belief that cryptocurrency will thrive regardless of the results of the U.S. election has only grown since it began. As the presidential race heats up, many are of the opinion that the cryptocurrency market could see gains irrespective of the victor. This is because voting patterns frequently cause individuals to reevaluate their financial holdings. The candidate's engagement in the cryptocurrency market is indicative of their policy and campaign platforms. A Shiba Inu has even offered to donate to Kamala Harris's campaign. This action stands out because it shows that prominent politicians are becoming increasingly involved with cryptocurrency issues. That digital currencies are starting to get some respect and credibility. Trump, on the other side, has suggested new rules that might have a good effect on the cryptocurrency industry. By loosening regulations or introducing new incentives for crypto investments, these plans might improve the climate for digital assets. A lot of people get interested in and start investing in the cryptocurrency market when politicians do things like this. In light of these changes and the possible advantages they may bring, people may begin to shift their wealth into cryptocurrency. Therefore, the elections may cause a surge in the cryptocurrency market, which would be good news for Shiba Inu and other digital assets, whether via government intervention or enabling legislation. Also, in a separate tweet, CryptoRover provides a graphical representation of the performance of cryptocurrencies across past presidential elections. We might potentially learn about the future of cryptocurrency by looking at these graphs from the past and looking for trends and patterns. Historical data shows that presidential elections can cause significant shifts in the cryptocurrency market. As investors shifted their holdings in response to election results and proposed policies, historical data may reveal that cryptocurrency prices skyrocketed or suffered considerable volatility in the years leading up to previous elections. What may happen now can be better understood with this historical background. Given that prior elections had favorable shifts in crypto, it is logical to assume that this election may follow suit. There may be a surge in interest and investments in the cryptocurrency market as investors prepare for possible gains or respond to the candidates' positions on crypto. Indeed, more people are likely to move their money into crypto, to put it bluntly. The Shiba Inu is the intriguing part. It seems like it is currently setting itself up to reap the greatest rewards. Now, the question is, how exactly are they accomplishing that? Something completely out of the ordinary occurred just today. An whole thread on X was devoted by Robinhood to discussing Shiba Inu, given that Robinhood typically doesn't place so heavy emphasis on any one cryptocurrency. This is quite interesting. Lots of people are scratching their heads over their abrupt decision to feature Shiba Inu. Why Robinhood would highlight it at this moment is a mystery to many. Does this portend a major Shiba Inu-related undertaking? Perhaps they are noticing fresh possibilities or are trying to pique additional people's curiosity. Everyone is wondering what this change could signify for the future of Shiba Inu and their place on the platform, and speculation abounds as to why it happened. The launch of Shiba Inu and its community-driven success are briefly summarized in the post titled, "Let's Talk Shiba Inu," which is one of the more popular tales on crypto. The Shiba Inu's background and success since its release are explored in Robinhood's thread. The remarkable ascent of the Shiba Inu is one of the most remarkable tales told. The incredible success of the Shiba Inu breed in spite of initial doubts is a tribute to the dog's resiliency and the solidarity of its owners. The present tidal wave of interest and investment in the cryptocurrency market is a perfect fit for Shiba Inu, thanks to its history of surprising successes and outstanding performance positions. There is more to think about, so if that isn't comforting enough, hold on a little. The future growth potential of Shiba Inu is still being optimistically predicted by analysts. An interesting forecast has been made by renowned trader Dexter. Regardless of the difficulties in the industry right now, Shiba Inu could eventually attain a 3-digit target. Just so you know, this is 10 times the current price. The cryptocurrency market has been trending upward for most of this week, but Shiba Inu has been slow to capitalize on the upswing. With a market valuation of almost $7 billion, Shiba Inu remains a major player. Dexter pointed out that Shiba Inu is approaching a crucial support area, even if the coin is currently trending downwards. Holding this support level and pushing toward the resistance trend line are critical for Shiba Inu to resume its upward momentum. While Shiba Inu may be experiencing some difficulties in the near term, Dexter's analysis shows that the breed has great potential for growth in the long run, especially if it can recover from its present slump. The intriguing thing is that the price drops of Shiba Inu that have happened recently are only transitory dips, which might pave the way for big price increases down the road. Shiba Inu could reach unprecedented heights as a result of a confluence of variables. Cryptos have a chance to shine because of the present economic troubles in the US, which are both frightening and exciting. No matter who takes the presidency in the United States, the continued elections are sure to offer positive news for the cryptocurrency market. The fact that Robinhood devoted an entire post on Shiba Inu is most certainly not coincidental, and it likely portends a major development. Based on these factors, Shiba Inu has a good chance of capitalizing on changes in the market and continuing interest to achieve significant growth in the not-too-distant future. So what are your thoughts on the matter? Please share your thoughts in the comments section. Make sure you click on one of the videos you see on the screen if you are keen to find out more. We have reached the final segment of this video. Give the video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments if you found it entertaining. Regarding the YouTube